Papageno tour, take 1. Have to start back at the beginning. Here you are, welcome to Papageno. This is a little video to illustrate if you were to live on Papageno, how things work. We have a lovely little step ladder there. Have a lovely, well, you know, all this stuff. Someone's shoes is soaking in a bucket, lovely. So you come in, mind all the bagage. Here we have the cockpit. It is a bit of a state at the moment. To access the engine, you come through here. To access the wheel, you come here and you press this. In here, pretty huge bed actually, very comfortable. You've got lots of space. You have a cupboard just here. I wish someone had cleaned the floor. You have loads and loads of space. It's fabulous. Oh, I've been looking for those for ages. Let's hope we don't. Oh, some people still left all their stuff behind. Okay. Table. Pretty nifty. Have your breakfast in bed. Not too bad. I might try next season in here actually and see how I can improve it. More storage in here. There's a sink under here which we need to get hooked up with water. And then here we go into the heart of Papageno. Ooh, still a lot of things to improve, but she's come a very, very long way. Okay, so we have the bilge pump which is on because it has a float switch at the moment. A very, very dirty bilge that needs to be cleaned. To access light, you press the switch that says light. And look, there's light. Excellent. If you want the water on, you press it. And sometimes it comes out the tap. Yes, sometimes it does. Excellent. Quick note, cockpit light. You want to access it. To make the cooker work, you get some matches, you light them, and you do the gas thing. It's very, very good. Our fridge does not work, but we're going to improve on this when we come back. All the storage, pots and pans are down here. You've got all your little bits of your goodies, your food, tea supplies of course, and tools, any tools that you may need for anything. You have spare rags for the engine. Lots of lovely goodness in here. If you would like to go back in time and use a chart from the 1920s, 1930s, we have about 400 ready for you. Some batteries, compass, little bits in here, nav desk. Well, it's self-explanatory. Loads of storage area, lots of dry goodies. Oh, hello. And here we have canned food. We don't have a fridge, so we have to eat canned food. Cups, extra storage space. Okay, and here we have my bedroom, but we must wait for that excitement. Here we have the bathroom, yay! I'd like to get all this tiled and the sink here. We did have a sink here, but it got pulled away. I don't know why. To access toilets. And this stain is from the salt water. This was a pristine toilet and I came back after 4 months and there's a stain. So if anyone's got any tips of how to get rid of the stain, please let me know. Anyway, you do your business to let in water. You go like so. To drain the poop and the wee, you press this one. Excellent. Very good. To access shower, you must press the water on before you use the shower. If you're sailing, we switch this tap off so the water does not access the toilet. You want any toilet roll or soap that's in here. First aid kit. Ooh. First aid kit's just here, cleaning supplies there. And here we have all the little bit of toiletries that I've stolen from various hotels. It's very good. More storage in here. Suitcase. And also, it's very, very good to remember every time you're using the door, please remember to go like this, else you're going to be waking up in the night hearing that all night long. Ventilation shaft. Oh, not shaft. Just here, like so. Simple, yet effective. Ah, and here we have my bedroom. Lovely. Please get more ventilation through this way, because when it rains, you will get wet, and that's not good. Lots of storage space. A mirror to look at your face. It's just for you. And, oh yes, this maybe I should take this back with me. Oh, lovely. Well, actually, no, I'll just keep it here. If you haven't guessed, I'm getting ready to head back to England for a couple of months to get a new crew sorted. It's very exciting. So yeah, this is the boat. It's super comfy. Plans to go forward. This floor will be relined. We'll have some nice lino. This will be sanded and varnished. I'm going to have cover up this. I don't know how I'm going to make the kitchen beautiful. Once again, any opinions are lovely. When it rains, if it's raining really, really bad and you're away for hours, it's a great idea to shut this hatch because the water comes down to the cooker and it's very, very annoying. There we go. Okay, weak points. One point is that when you're sleeping here, even when you do shut these, sometimes they leak. So it's good just to do them as tight as possible. Here's your little solar light. Nice and effective. And also doesn't use up any electricity. And you have to figure out how to switch off properly. Great. There you have Papageno. You can also access the engine through here, but you shouldn't have to. Here is our water pump that is not working at the moment. If anyone can figure out to fix that, that would be grand. But I'll be fixing that when I come back. So yeah, like I say, still got a long way to go, but I really feel like after last season, it's a huge improvement. I'm absolutely chuffed. There are people here. Rule with the radio, if you'd like to contact anyone, you just pick the radio up, you press this, and then you say the boat that you want to say, let's say Maisie Rose. You want to see Maisie Rose. You go, Maisie Rose, Maisie Rose, Maisie Rose, this is Papageno here, over. And then they'll reply, and they'll say Papageno, 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 this is Maisie Rose here. And then they'll say, would you like to go to channel 69 for a private conversation? So you would press that, and then you can have a private conversation on 6.9. And then when you finish your conversation, you say, Papageno, heading back now to 6.8. And you go back, and it's lovely. Nice and simple, so you can keep in contact with everyone. If you'd like to charge up your phones or whatever, we now are able to, which last season we weren't able to. So here are your little cords. And we're still, Aaron, our thing here isn't working at the moment. I should be able to charge your laptop, but we'll get that fixed when I come back as well. So there you have it. The tour of Papageno is complete. I hope you've enjoyed. Very sweaty, and looking forward to getting back to, well, civilization for a short while, and getting a crew sorted to come back, get this baby going. I've really enjoyed the season. Sailing's been absolutely incredible, and I can't wait. We're heading to Grenada now for 2 days, and it's going to be bloody marvellous. But Thanks for everything.